Saturday morning. Thank you for coming here today. We've got Weiwei inside for those of you that met Weiwei and some other of our team. So our marae are special places for us in Māoridom, where our history is, where we hold our ceremonies. The whare nui, the big house. Whare nui means big house. We'll have a karanga and will be brought onto the marae. In Māoridom we remember those who passed or who have passed on, or our loved ones that we've lost. And in the Pōwhiri during the karanga, often the woman will ask us to remember or bring with us those who we've lost recently, so we can help share that grief and that load that we carry when we lose people.
This belongs to the Chinese south part of China and the folk dance. So I hope everyone enjoy it.